All right, we're gonna go mulch some pine needles and leaves. All right, so hope this is satisfying for you, okay? Hey, make sure you wear a mask when you do this, all right? Because all that dust be getting in your nose and your mouth. All right, so here we go. All right, y'all, here we go. So what you didn't see was me blowing the leaves off the street onto the yard and from off the driveway onto the yard, y'all. So I really want to put that in the video because the video is already 24 minutes long, and I'm trying to like make it fast for you because I don't want to bore you with the long video. But if you hear like some panting in the background, that's my dog Chuck. All right, he wants some attention. But anyway, y'all, so here I go, y'all. So you gotta make sure you wear a mask when you're doing this, okay? Because all that dust be getting inside, gets on in your face, man. You breathe it in your mouth. If there's dog poop on the ground, I mean, that's just spraying out in the sky, y'all, all right? And it's spraying everywhere, and it could get on your face, okay? So make sure you have some face protection, okay? I have like just like a simple face mask, all right? I mean, shoot, if you have a t-shirt, an old t-shirt rag, a handkerchief, hey, just put that around your face, okay? But make sure you have some kind of dust protection on your face, all right? Because all that stuff is flying everywhere and it's going on inside of you, man, okay? So, and like, I can tell you right now already, my shorts are already all brown. My shirt's getting brown right now. My legs are, I'm wearing shorts, y'all, okay? So, I'm just mulching leaves. So, I'm not string trimming. I'm not edging. All I'm doing is just mulching, all right? So, I'm just kind of comfortable. Just relax, you know what I mean? Wearing some shorts right now. Just enjoying the mulching, all right? Enjoying the mow. I'm still mowing, right? But, so all this right here, y'all, it's leaves and pine needles together, okay? So, and there's a lot of pine needles, okay, that I blew from the back to the front, all right? Because she just had like a lot of pine needles back there. But when you have like a lot of pine needles and you're mulching it, I mean, it's really hard to like break it down a lot, all right? Because you want to break it down a lot so it could come one with the ground. It's food for the ground. It becomes compost for the ground. It decomposes in time, all right? But when you have like a lot of pine needles, the ground's like red, you know what I mean? Because it's just like a lot, y'all. A lot of pine needles on the ground. So just go over it, you know, a couple of times. You don't make it disappear, okay? Spread it out with the mower, all right? But you could do also, like once you're done, get a blower and just blow it, you know what I mean? Just spread it around. But in time, y'all, I mean, it becomes compost, all right? It decomposes, y'all, all right? It's food for the ground, okay? So just make sure, I have mulching blades, all right? Also known as gator blades on the mower. So that's what you want, okay? If you use mulching blades, you'll break down the leaves and the pine needles real good, okay? But other than that, y'all, like, how do I price this, okay, for fall? So this is fall maintenance, all right? So we're in November, so I'm not cutting grass, I'm cutting leaves and pine needles, y'all. Okay, so this is considered, so on the invoice, it says fall maintenance, leaf and pine needle maintenance, y'all. That's all it says, leaf and pine needle maintenance, okay? So it says fall maintenance, leaf and pine needle cleanup. That's what it says, leaf and pine needle cleanup. It doesn't say maintenance. Fall maintenance, leaf and pine needle cleanup. That's what it says on the invoice, all right? And how much do I charge? Hey, leave a comment. How much would you charge to do this, okay? Because you are, instead of going one pass, you're making multiple passes. But you're not edging or string trimming. Keep that in mind, okay? You're just sitting on the mower, all right? So to me, y'all, if this was a $80 yard, it'll be $80, okay? To maintain it. Now, this was like about, the leaves and pine needles started falling like about over a month ago, okay? So to maintain it, it's $80, but when you have overgrowth of leaf and pine needles, you probably want to charge more, okay? You know what I mean? And tell them, hey, you know, and every 2 weeks it'll just be $80. So if you want to charge double, $160, go for it. And then tell them, so every 2 weeks it'll be $80, okay? So it's $80 because that's how much I'll charge for this lawn for mowing, edging, and string trimming. So It'll be $80 just for the fall maintenance for the leaf and pine needle cleanup. All right, but this first one, y'all, it's been over a month since the pine needles and leaves fell to the ground. So see that big old pile right there, y'all? All it's coming every 2 weeks. You wouldn't see a big pile like that, all right? So this is a magnolia tree, okay? These are magnolia leaves, and those magnolia pine cones, also known, I think they're called follicles, right? They're like grenades, y'all. They keep falling on the ground, all right? There's a lot of them. You want to keep in mind, okay? See how you see vehicles right there? So keep in mind where you're spraying, okay? All right, so these things, man, they shoot far, man. These follicles or these pine cones, these cones off the tree, whatever you call them. So you have to be mindful, y'all, okay? So they knew I was mowing. They didn't want to move the vehicle. So you just either got to be careful or say, hey, you know what? I can't mow it right now because your vehicles are in the way. I don't want to cause property damage. Or you could just do what I'm doing, y'all, and just taking a chance and just be careful, okay? So I don't got time to come back, you know what I mean, to reschedule, so I gotta get it done. But I was being careful where those cones were flying around from the chute of the mower. But this is a lot, y'all, man. Look at all that dust. All right, make sure you're wearing a mask to cover your face, all right? So hey, leave a comment, all right, if this is helping you out, all right, what to do for fall, for fall, leave a comment, okay? Is this a good idea, mulching leaves and pine needles? What would you do? Would you bag them? I'm gonna tell you right now, y'all, if you bag them, you want to charge more, okay? Because that's wear and tear to your back. That's like raking, wear and tear to your shoulders, bending down, back, picking up the leaves, you know what I mean? Putting them in the bag. All right, so and it's more time, y'all. So that's why I just mulch them. If they do ask if I do bag, yes, I do bag, but I throw out a crazy number like $300 because it's just a lot of work, y'all. All right, and they'll probably say, oh, okay, I'll just get a mulch. And like, okay, I'll be happy to just mulch them. And you know what, y'all? If this was like $160, I'd rather pay $160 than $300, y'all, because I don't know about you, man, but my back hurts, okay? My back is worn out, all right? It is worn out, y'all. I already have two degenerated discs in my back, all right? In my spine, all right? Just wear and tear in the Marine Corps, all right? Yeah, I did 27 years, y'all, in the Marine Corps, so served my country. But, hey, my body paid a toll, all right? I also have my whole cervical spine, my neck, I have arthritis, all and all, like from the C1 to C7. It's just all arthritis, and I have one the degenerated disc in my spine and my cervical spine also. So keep that in mind, y'all, when you're pricing, okay? It's wear and tear to your body, man. Don't lowbar yourself, okay? So I already got done with this big old pile right here. So all that you see right there is mainly those cones on the ground. So I'm gonna go and finish off right there in the front. All those leaves right there, ain't really that many leaves. But so these are back side by side, y'all. So after I do this house, I'm gonna go next door and do the other house. And the other house has a lot of leaves. You're gonna see it. All right, it's a lot of leaves, okay? And once again, if it's $80, $70, $60 to for regular lawn care maintenance, that's how much I charge for mulching their leaves. Okay, it should just be going like one or twice with the mower to mulch them. But if it's a new customer, they waited around for like over a month and the leaves are just piled up like this pile you see over here, then I'll have to be more, y'all, okay? You could double it, you could triple it, but hey, it's your business, it's your side hustle. What's your time worth, okay? Are you willing to haggle with the customer? The customer's, oh no, it's too much. Are you willing to go down just to keep them as a customer? All right, that's up to you. And I'm gonna tell you what, if you want to go down 50 bucks, and if it's a brand new, if you're just starting out, y'all, and if you want to go down, let's say it's $200, and oh, I'm sorry, I only could do 150. Hey, just to like get customers, man, like by all means just do it, okay? It's just like a 50 bucks less. And you know what, you're gonna still have them every other 2 weeks, okay? So you're building your little customer list, okay? Yeah, but hey, it's your hustle, it's your business. You can do whatever you want to do, all right? As for me, I'm just gonna stick with my guns. If it's 160, it's gonna be 160. If they say, oh, that's too low for me, you know, like, well, you have my card, you have my number. By all means, just feel free to call me or text me if you want to follow along with our services. I'll be happy to come back and service your lawn, you know, or you know, do a fall maintenance for your lawn. So that's on you, y'all, okay? It's fall season right now. If we're really hurting for customers because grass is dormant, you just need customers, you need money. Hey, sometimes you just gotta, I ain't gonna say lowbar yourself, but you can ask a customer, well, if I go down $20, would you use my services? And they say, yeah, you know what, that's probably a good deal, y'all, you know what I mean? So, but hey, but that's if it's overgrown, okay? Overgrown with leaves and pine needles, okay? Now, if it's supposed to be regular maintenance, like $80, and I wouldn't go low $20, y'all, for $60 to just maintain the yard. And this is just the front yards, okay? I'm showing you on this video, okay? I'm not even showing you all the backyards, all right? The backyards are even worse, but this is just the front yards right here. So right here, I'm just blowing. So that's a PB580 T Echo backpack blower. That is the mother of all blowers, y'all. I call it the Moab. Like the mother of all bombs. Well, this is the mother of all blowers right here. So I'm just blowing all these cones back to the tree. All right. You know, so just make it look more nice and presentable when a customer walks outside. They're gonna be like, oh wow, it looks so beautiful. Wow, it makes a big, I see a big difference. All right, hey, here's a neighbor right here, y'all. Look at all these leaves. Look at them just piling up in front of the mower. All right, so what I did, y'all, I didn't show y'all, but I blew off the mower. Okay, where the belt is, where the pulleys are, it had like a whole bunch of leaves and pine needles. When you do jobs like this, you want to make sure you blow off for more because all the friction with the belt, it could cause a fire. All right. My wife recommends me. She told me already, hey Charles, you need to carry a fire extinguisher in your truck, all right, just in case the mower catches on fire. Hey y'all, it happens, y'all. Okay. It happens, y'all. All these is dry leaves, all right. And it could catch on fire, y'all, with one little spark, all right. So, but look at all that dust, y'all. So just make sure you wear that mask, okay. A mask is very important, all right. You don't want to be breathing in all that stuff, okay. All that dust. You know, possible dog poop or cat poop. You know, squirrels. I don't know, squirrels poop in the yard, I guess, too. All right. But so here I'm going to just a couple of turns, y'all. So this is 3 sections. This is 1 section of this front yard, and then 2 more sections after this. But hey, I'm gonna go and speed it up for y'all. Okay. Hey, please like and subscribe if you haven't left a comment, y'all. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think of this, y'all. Like, would y'all do it like this? How would y'all do it? Would y'all bag it? All right, or would y'all mulch it like me? All right, so you gotta mulch. You have to, like, when you have like a lot of dust like this, y'all, you want to get your blower and just kind of like spread all that dust with the blower, okay? But in time, y'all, it decomposes and it becomes compost for the ground, all right, for the soil. It's good for the fertilizer. But other than that, y'all, I'm gonna go and speed it up. Hey, please like and subscribe if you haven't yet. There's more videos to come like this. I really appreciate y'all watching this video. It means a lot to the channel. It means a lot to the algorithm. It means a lot to my family, y'all, because this is our income right here. All right. Yeah, I retired. You know, 27 years in the Marine Corps. I'm sure I could get a good job, but I want to be my own boss, y'all. All right. So this is what I enjoy doing. So I'm gonna keep doing it until my body says, hey, I can't do it no more. But all right, y'all, here we go. I'm gonna go and speed it up a little bit. Alright, y'all. Hey, you need to wear a face mask, alright? Because that dust will get in your face, your eyes, your nose, your mouth, and that's bad for you. Hey, I hope this was satisfying for you. Please like and subscribe. God bless you on the next video. Bye.